Good morning, one and all. My name is Yogesh Raje. I am working as a training and placement officer at ISMR MCA department, Pune. The agenda of today's session is how to visit the different companies' URLs and how to search for the different job profiles for the different companies are offering. For example, as a student, you are interested in the PHP developer. Yeah, you are interested as a Java developer. Yeah, you are interested to work as a .NET developer. So let us start with the company name, which is called as an Aloha Technology. Now, what is this Aloha Technology? So this Aloha Technology is providing the services in different sectors. So first we will search on the Google. We'll open the Google first, and then we will search for the Aloha Technology. Now at the right hand side you are able to see the website of this Aloha Technology. You can click on it. Now this is the first page of the Aloha Technology. Now we'll surf these pages. Now after looking to this first page, landing page of this website, you are able to see they are providing the different products in the embedded engineering. Now if you scroll down, then you are able to see the different videos as well as the opportunities in PaaS based software products, platform as a service. So you will see the another links which are available on this website. Now we will go to this link which is called as an application services. So if you are able to view here application development, enterprise application testing, machine learning, e-commerce, ERP, IoT, Java, CRM, big data. What it means? It means company is providing the services in this particular applications. Yeah, by using these technologies, company is providing the services. For example, machine learning, ERP, IoT, Java, cloud computing, CRM. What is the use of this information to you as a student? As a student, you can understand that if these companies are providing the applications to the client by using this technology, it means if you are interested in machine learning, you have a chance in this technology. If you are Java developer, there is a chance for you peoples to apply for this particular company. If you are interested in IoT, then also you are having the job in this particular Aloha Technology. Now we'll go for the another page, another link, that is product engineering. So in the product engineering, they are having different embedded softwares, product life cycles, testings. So now here you can apply for the testing job also. Now let us see what is the business services. Business process outsourcing, supply chain management outsourcing, IT help, Salesforce customization. Now if you are completed the Salesforce training, so you can apply for this particular company. Now in what are the different industries they are going to provide their services or applications? They are in the banking sectors, energies, retail, transport, logistics, healthcare, manufacturing, education, travel and hospitality. Now let us see related to the company, that is Alova Technology. What this Alova Technology is? Alova Technology enables enterprises all over the world to develop the competitive advantage by making their current operations efficient and cost effective. With over 12 years of experience and 3 development clients in India, Alova Technologies is leading provider of the information technology services. Now, if you see, this company is 12 years back and it is a multinational company. Okay, now we are going to scroll down. Now I will click on the contact us. So we'll just see the address of the company. So you can contact to this company. You can click on this Facebook page of the company. And you can click on the follow button here to get the updates from the Alova Technologies. Now we'll wait for the opening of this particular page. So you are able to view the different videos uploaded by this Alova Technologies. Okay, now you can click on this follow. Now you are following this Alova Technology. I will again return back to our main website URL. Now as a student, this portion is very important for you, which is called as an careers. On every website there is a link which is called as an careers. So it is your job, it is your duty to find out this particular career web links. So I will click on this particular career and let us see what are the different career opportunities available currently for you as a student in this company. Now here the another page is open, which is called as a career page. There are opportunity in business development as a business development executives. His job description is written here. Content writers, job description is written. Business analyst. Now here you can work as a business analyst. Here the experience is 0 to 5 years. As a fresher you can apply for this particular post. Now what they requires, the profile is mentioned here. Ability to provide the strategic vision and through the product business case analysis. Ability to handle the multiple tasks effectively on tight deadlines. Technical expertise, should have a clear, concise understanding of basic concepts and technologies and ability continuously to acquire new technologies competencies. So for this business analyst you should have the analyst mindset. Okay, now I will go for the another opportunities which is available here as a software developer or software engineer in bracket PHP. It means if you want to work on the PHP, so you can apply for this particular post. So let us see what is there. what are their job requirements. So as you see in the job requirement, 0 to 3 years experience is mentioned. So as a fresher you can apply for this post also. What the knowledge is required, expected by the company, which is mentioned here in the profile section. Now first point, required good knowledge of PHP, JavaScript and SQL. Required knowledge of MVC, Cake PHP, Zen, Coordinator, custom jQueries, Ajax. This is the two requirements they have mentioned. If you want to apply for this particular post, you should know all these things in detail. Okay. Now if you think that you are having this particular knowledge of these technologies, you have developed some projects in this technology, then you can apply for this particular post of the software developer PHP. Now there is another opportunity for the software as a software developer or as a software engineer in bracket .NET. So if you want to work on the .NET, then there is an opportunity for you as a fresher, because here the 0 to 3 years experience is mentioned. Now let us see what is mentioned here in the profile section. In the profile section, knowledge of ASP.NET, VB.NET with C#.NET using Ajax, MVC, SQL is mentioned here. Strong knowledge of object oriented concept, bootstraps, JavaScript and jQuery is required. So if you feel that you have the knowledge of this mentioned profile and you have the good hands-on on this particular technologies, then you can apply for this particular post. I hope you can understand what are the current job opportunities available for this company for the students from 0 to 3 years or 0 to 4 year experience. Now where you have to send your resume. Now here it is mentioned, please send your resume at hr@allovatechnology.com. So be specific. Here the email ID is mentioned. Send your resume with the position, for which position you want to apply. Okay. So if you want to apply for this software developer as a .NET profile, so you have to mention in your email also. Okay. So I want to apply for this software developer .NET profile position. Okay. Now in this way you can apply for the particular company. I hope all of you understood how to apply, how to search what are the different current opportunities available in the particular industry. In this case we can taken the industry as Allova Technology, and what are the different, we have seen what are the different positions are currently available for you peoples, where you can apply and where to apply. I hope it is understood to all of you. Thank you so much.